Previous video I did explain how you can create a bootable media using media creation tool for Windows 10. At times you don't want to use this method because it's pretty simple, or rather you want to do some modification between MBR, GPT or such stuffs. So in this video we're going to use Rufus, which has been there for decades now, and it's the most trusted method for creating a bootable USB drive. My name is Wesley and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and leave a comment. Open a Chrome tab and type Windows 10 download, and make sure to use that which is on the official Microsoft website, because that is a genuine and a clean Windows 10 ISO file. So after downloading it, we're going to go through the download process, which won't take a lot of time. Few things that we're going to do that were different in the previous version. One, you have to choose between either upgrading your PC or creating an installation media. Obviously you're going to create an installation media. Click on next, and I won't be changing anything, though you can change the architecture if you're not sure which bit you're running on. Then click on next, and instead of using a USB flash drive, now select the option for ISO file. Then it will prompt you to name your file. Here we're going to name it Windows 10 ISO clean, because there's some that you can get through torrents. After that, save it and let's wait for the download process to begin. The download process takes a while depending on your internet speed, so you're gonna be patient. Maybe you can continue doing whatever you're doing on your PC. Otherwise, you can continue subscribing, like, or leave a comment so that we can know what videos you two want next. And by the way, don't forget to leave a comment on what video you want me to do on software tutorials for both Android, iOS, Windows. Yeah, any tutorial that you would like me to do. Well, after the process is over, we're going to start the verification process, where we're going to verify if the download was complete without any problem. Then we're going to create a Windows 10, or rather we're going to complete the download process and open the ISO file. Alternatively, you can burn it directly to a DVD flash if you have, but for me, I'm going to use a USB, so I'll just finish, clean, and go to the next step. So there we have the Windows ISO, which we have downloaded. It's about 4.56 gigs. Well, next you're going to go to open a Chrome tab and type Rufus download, and you have to use the official website because that is what we believe in. So use the first option, which is from the official website, and download the Rufus 3.13 or any other version that you feel is useful for you. It's about 1 megabit, so it occupies a small space. It's nothing big. So after downloading it, it's pretty simple. You're going to open, and then we don't want to update because you have the latest version. So I'll click on no, then wait. Well, here you see the devices that you can use as a bootable media. For me, I have a 16 gig SD card. So if you have other removable devices, it will give you options to choose. Make sure you're going to use a minimum of 8 GB, and it must be empty because it's going to like format it, the whole thing. So you also want to choose the partition type that you want between MBR and GPT, depending on your architecture. Then make sure the file system is on NTFS. You can rename the volume. For me, I'll be using Windows 10. Then when I'm ready, just click on start. The process basically takes roughly 2 minutes to be complete, and in that time you can hit the subscribe button. Well, when it's done, it's over, so it will tell you the status is ready, and that's over. You can go here on the my PC and you'll see that on drive D we have the bootable drive. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. I do really appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel. We are trying to hit a target of 4,000 subscribers at the end of the year. Please help me get to that target. I'll see you around.